Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. Today we will discuss more about a popular skincare product called Piment Doux Concentrate. It can also be called Piment Doux Oil or Serum. Some people apply Piment Doux Concentrate on a wrong way and it damage their skin, but in this video you will learn how to use the Piment Doux Concentrate correctly. But before I start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Piment Doux Concentrate deep cleanses your skin, leaving it feeling smooth, fresh and renewed. It does a good job in blending your skin complexion, making your skin very clear. It helps eliminate stains on all parts of the body, quickly clears the skin and homogenizes the complexion. How to use Piment Doux Concentrate. To use correctly, it is recommended not to apply directly to face or skin area without mixing into your lotion or cream or black soap. However, serum can be directly applied to dark knuckles, knees, elbows and toes to clear off the hyperpigmentation and dark spots. For sensitive skin, apply to your lotion or cream to achieve the degree. Makes your skin clear and lighter in just few days. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.